Jose Mourinho and company are all set to host Liverpool in the Premier League tonight. Will Spurs end their winless drought against the Reds? We will find out in this video. But before that, let's look at the stats of the two teams against each other and in the Premier League. Liverpool haven't won any of their last 5 Premier League games, while Tottenham, on the other hand, have won 2 out of their last 5 Premier League games. Liverpool are currently sitting on 5th position with 34 points from their 19 games, while Spurs, on the other hand, are right below them with 33 points and a game in hand. So this is a crucial fixture for Spurs and for Liverpool because Liverpool's recent form hasn't been that great, and Spurs, if they win today, they will go on above Liverpool. So it's an important game for the two sides, but the current condition of Liverpool is not that great. They recently ended their 68 home games unbeaten streak in the Premier League as they lost to Burnley 1-0 in their last Premier League game. Tottenham, on the other hand, in their last game in the FA Cup, they defeated Wycombe by 4-1. And Liverpool lost their last game in the FA Cup against Manchester United 3-2 as Bruno Fernandes scored a phenomenal free kick in last moments of the game. So the two teams are vulnerable, but current Liverpool team is quite vulnerable. And the current attack that Spurs have with Harry Kane, Heung-min Son, and Ndombele and Bergwijn, they can create a lot of problems for the vulnerable defense of Liverpool. We all saw against Manchester United how many mistakes they made, and against Spurs, the quality of players Spurs have in their attack, they can create a lot of problems for Liverpool's defensive line. So this was the match preview for this game. Now we will look at the key players for this fixture. The key players from the two sides are going to be, first we'll talk about Tottenham. The key player from Tottenham is going to be none other than Harry Kane. Harry Kane has been mind-blowing this season. He has scored 12 goals and provided 11 assists in his 18 league games this season. 23 goals involvement in 18 league games. That shows how good form Harry Kane is in right now. And with Heung-min Son and Bergwijn, he can create a lot of issues on the pitch because he had great pace and his shots are amazing. So he's going to be the key player for Tottenham. Now we'll talk about the key player from Liverpool. From Liverpool, the key player is going to be Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah scored 2 goals in the last game against Manchester United in the FA Cup. He could have scored 1 or 2 more, but he was quite unlucky and Henderson was there at the goal. So if we look at the stats of Salah in the Premier League, he has scored 13 goals and provided 3 assists in his 18 league appearances for Liverpool. So both the players are quite strong, but the situation Liverpool are in currently, and we all know that Jose Mourinho is going to park bus and he will try to defend and score goal on counter attack. So Liverpool will try their best. They will have more possession here, but they have to breach the defensive line of Tottenham, which is quite difficult. It's not that easy. So these two are going to be the key players for this fixture. Now comes the main question. Who is going to win this fixture? Well, the two teams are quite strong, but the current Liverpool team is not as strong as Tottenham. The current Liverpool team have many injury issues. Their key players are injured and many of their players who used to perform for them, who used to win games for them, are not performing that great. And Tottenham, on the other hand, have a great squad. They slipped along little bit in last few games, but I think this game they will try to bounce back and make sure that they finish at least in top 4 this season. Tottenham are looking stronger, their players are performing well, and they have a better squad. So keeping that in mind, I feel that Tottenham might win this fixture 1-0. So Tottenham 1 and Liverpool 0. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this prediction video. Let me know in the comment section that what do you feel? Who will win this fixture and what will be the scoreline? I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.